What's up, YouTube? Today is Tuesday, August 5th, 2014. I had a miss yesterday, which was Monday. Would have normally been a dredging day because I had to run around and get a replacement air compressor. My Keen KAC threw a rod, basically. The piston, which goes up and down inside, is connected to the shaft. The connecting rod on the piston blew its bearings and came completely, it wasn't completely loose, but it was clacking and making a horrible racket. So I took it back where I bought it at Armadillo Mining in Grants Pass, Oregon. Best mining shop in these parts that I know of. And they warrantied it out, gave me a brand new one. But it took the better part of the morning to get it installed, and then the motor wouldn't start. So it was the comedy of errors back and forth to my truck 4 times to get tools, and finally had to dismount the whole recoil starter and the shroud to get to the magneto points, which is a pair of points that are close to the flywheel. And every time the flywheel goes by it, there's a permanent magnet in the flywheel, and when it passes by the coils of the magneto, it generates a spark. But if the gap between those 2 magneto points and the flywheel is too close, it won't make a spark, and that was the case. It had corroded, there was some rust on the flywheel, and it wasn't sparking, so I had to take the whole thing apart, reset the distance of the magneto pickups to the flywheel using a business card, to space it, as they recommend. Finally got it going. So most of the morning was shot, but I got a couple dives in, one good long one in the morning, and then kind of a half dive in the afternoon. Looking pretty good. I'm seeing quite a bit of gold up there in the black rib area, in the visible black ribbed area. Collecting a little more on this side than the other for some reason. I think the water flow is just favoring that side. So we're going to do a top only cleanup. Yeah, some pretty good color showing behind the first riffle. Probably can't quite see it in the video. Very small, really fine gold. So we'll do a top only cleanup today and see how we manage to make out in spite of all those setbacks. Yeah, the test pan's looking a little sparse. I'm kind of aggressive with it though. And it can be deceptive. Sometimes some of it's hiding. So I'm thinking 1/4 ounce maybe. Once we get the upper or top section processed. Pretty quick and easy to do, so I don't mind doing it every day. Got some gold. Let's see how much. And here is laid trap. Definitely not as spectacular as some of my other runs, but it's a pretty good amount of gold there. It might go a 1/4 ounce. Reasonable, since I didn't get 2 full dives in, like 1.5. I was trying to work a new area. I think I found a little pack, but I didn't move very much material. I was trying to work around some boulders. So we shall see how much this turns out to be, but the top 3 look like they got a pretty good amount of color in them. So I'm grateful. Hope my partner Alan did good down there today. He's been hitting some nuggets and some really good looking pack. He was going to just shoot some underwater videos, so make sure you go and subscribe to his channel, Bearcat with a K 4160. So you can get his latest uploads. Got some good pictures of nuggets. Nice nuggets. So there you go, that's my La Trappe for August the 5th, Tuesday, 2014. See you back at camp. And there you have it. Not as impressive as some of my other cleanups. That's the -20. Small Garrett pan. And a few +20 chunkier pieces, and my one obligatory technical nugget. We had some mechanical problems today. Did not get 2 good long dives in, only more like 1.5. Maybe we'll hit a 1/4 ounce today, I'm thinking. And it occurred to me that maybe what I'll do this week is just save all my concentrates instead of doing a daily cleanup video, since it's kind of getting old now, same thing over and over and over. Maybe I'll do a cleanup fest on Sunday, my day off, and just take all the concentrates from the week and clean them up at the same time. That would make for a pretty impressive shot of gold if I have a good week. So there you have it from Tuesday, August 5th, 2014. Next will be the weigh-in. Alrighty then, here we go for our weigh-in from August 5th, Tuesday, August 5th, 2014. There's the -20s. I'm thinking they might get to a 1/4 ounce. And a few little +20s, and one little bit bigger picker that was a +8. I will add to my extensive nugget collection. Extensive nugget collection. Right. On with the scale. Empty vial. And we zero. This is not my usual tripod, so apologize for the lack of flexibility. Zero the scale. And we're going to fill it up with some of these nice little -20s. Into the paper funnel with you. And we shall see if we need a 1/4 ounce. I don't know. Feels a little on the light side there today. And in they go. Drum roll, please. And yes, we did make a 1/4 ounce. 5.7 pennyweight with the fines. So a little bit over a 1/4 ounce. Good. To which we can add our little bit, this is my chunky vial of +20s. And we will now zero that. And add the chunkies. I'm just going to put this little +8 nugget on the scale and then add these to the vial. Okay. And in with the chunks. All aboard. So we have an additional 0.6 pennyweight, even without the drum roll. So 0.6 on top of our 5.7, looks like 6.3 for the day. Not too shabby, a little less than my other really good days, but I'll take it. And that's a good one in the plus category. Nice little chunky pieces. So that is it from August 5th, 2014. The chunkies and the -20s, 1/4 ounce. stay tuned, because the next video I do, I believe I'm going to save up my concentrates from 4 days. That'll be Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And on Sunday, we're going to have a Wowlapalooza cleanup fest. And I'll do it all at once. Should be nice and impressive if I do well for 4 days. We shall see. Thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing. See you next video.